Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Again, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Relax your energy. Relax your mind and listen carefully. We have always heard that honesty is the best policy. But honesty is not only about being truthful with others. Real honesty begins when I become truthful with myself. Because I can hide from people, I can explain things to others, I can create excuses outside, but deep inside, I know the truth. And the truth is not here to shame me. The truth is here to guide me. So, for the next few minutes, don't hide from yourself. Just meet yourself honestly. Because honesty with yourself does not mean blaming yourself. It means seeing the truth without drama, without excuses, without self hate, without pretending. Now, listen to this. Honesty means I know where I stand. I know what I did. I know what I avoided. I know what I need to change. And I am brave enough to accept it. Say slowly to yourself, I am honest with myself. Not to punish myself, but to free myself. Because the truth may feel uncomfortable for a moment, but lies keep me stuck for years. When I am not honest with myself, I know it. I say I studied the whole day, but I know how much I actually focused. I say I don't have time, but I know where my time is going. I say the subject is impossible, I cannot do this, but I know I am avoiding it. I say I will do it tomorrow, but I know I am escaping today. Today, I do not need to impress anyone. I say I am trying my best, you don't understand me, but deep inside, I know whether it is my best or just my comfort zone. So today, I do not need to impress anyone. I only need to be true to myself, because my result will not come from the stories I tell to others. My result will come from the truth I live daily. Now place your hand on your heart, take one slow breath, and say, Truth gives me power. Again say, Truth gives me power. So whenever I feel like giving excuses, I will pause and ask, what is the truth? Not the harsh truth, not the dramatic truth, the honest truth. What did I actually do? What did I avoid? What needs correction? What is the next right action? Because honesty gives direction. If I lie to myself, I cannot improve. If I accept the truth, I can change it. So from now on, I am ready to feel responsible because I choose to believe that honesty gives me control. I am ready to feel calm because I choose to believe that truth is not here to shame me. I am ready to be clear because I choose to believe that honest awareness creates honest action. I am ready to be strong because I choose to believe that I can face my reality and improve it. I am ready to feel proud of myself because I choose to believe that every honest correction builds my future. So today, I stop hiding behind excuses. I stop blaming circumstances. I stop calling avoidance as rest. I stop calling distraction a break. I stop calling fear a practical thinking. I stop calling comfort a self care. I stop calling planning a progress when I am not taking actions. So from today, I become honest. If I waste time, I accept it and return back. If I did not revise, I will accept it and plan again. If I make a mistake, I accept them and correct. If I am scared, I accept it and still take one action. If I am behind, I accept it and start from where I am. No guilt, no self attack, no escape. Just truth and action. Because the student who lies to himself stays stuck. The student who lies to himself stays confused. Because the student who lies to himself will lose the self-trust. And the student who is honest with himself becomes powerful. The student who is honest with himself moves ahead towards success. Honesty shows me the gap. Action closes the gap. So today, I ask myself, what is one truth I need to accept? And what is one action I need to take? One correction, maybe one chapter, one revision, one test, one honest study session, one difficult conversation with myself. I do not need to change everything today. I only need to stop lying to myself today. And this is where real change begins. Take a final deep breath and lock this belief inside. I am honest with myself. I choose to be honest with myself. I can face the truth. I can accept my reality. I can correct my direction. I can start again without drama. I do not use honesty to break myself. I use honesty to build myself. The truth does not make me weak. The truth makes me free. Because I know honesty is the best policy. And I am honest with myself. Now repeat after me. I am honest with myself. One more time. Repeat after me. I am honest with myself. One last time. Repeat after me. I am honest with myself. Now slowly open your eyes. Be honest with yourself. Choose one truth. Take one action and prove to yourself that you are honest with yourself.